Can you hear the birds? Just making a short video to show you all the work I've got to do in the yard. Still walnuts all over the ground. We'll go down and spy on the neighbors. They're always busy working. Rub-a-dub-dub in the bathtub. There's a robin. My gosh. Get all these walnuts. Whee! My beautiful magnolia tree. No flower buds yet. Well, well, well. Oh boy, look at that. It's going to be fun to clean up. Oh boy. Well, that's that side. Whoops, they ate all the food. Poor little starving Marvins. Hopefully this will be my garden spot. I did my weed whacking in the wind. That's what all this is. Right there is going to be the garden spot. Got to do some raking, hoeing, turn over the soil with my shovel. Piece of cake, not today. Check out the garlic. There's some garlic. Here's some garlic. You know, you can even eat yucca roots. My mate tree. Japanese snowball bush. Garlic, 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 garlic. Garlic, garlic, garlic. Bunny rabbit. Just want to take a picture, bunny rabbit. Oops. Better take a peek in the steel bin. Anybody in here? Woo. Nope. Ooh. Oh. Nope. A few bales of hay left. Oh, it'll be nice when the cows come home. Well, 160 acres out there. Yeehaw! Let's go in these trees and listen to some more of the birds. Some of the migratory birds have come back, the red-winged blackbirds, and some robins. Saw a vulture yesterday. I was out on the road. It was eating my dead squirrel. My little mama from the west side. She got hit by a car. Now this bunch of trees. So I was a little kid coming over to stay with my great aunt. I'd run between these trees. And I used to be taller than these trees. I've lost a couple of them. I don't know what kind those are. There's a couple of Colorado blue spruce in here. Most of them are red cedar pine. Lots of Annabella hydrangeas. All those sticks are. There's another viburnum, Japanese snowball bush. They were at Cordy's. Those actually are propagated. There's some lilacs. Let's go see if anybody's over in here. It's quiet over in here. This, I call this area down in the valley. My mom used to sing that song to me when I was little. There was a squirrel nest up there. I don't know if anybody's still up there. I think that's the one that was killed by the coon. Here's out front. One dead tree. Yeah, that was a Scotch pine. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is what I call the Hobbit Trail. Losing most of these trees too. Yep. Down to the mailbox. You could always spy on the neighbors. These guys are hard-working men out here, these farmers. There's the cows. I'm anxious for Brother Doug, to bring these cows back home. What I say is back home. Like 23 pairs after they have their babies. He'll start bringing them. I'm back to the walnuts in the bathtub. The old barn, and well, thanks for watching. Yeah, I hope everyone has a wonderful spring. Nothing like a lot of hard work, but you know, all these flowers and the fruits and the berries, and it's worth it usually. And just spending time with the animals. Surprised I didn't run into a squirrel, but they're still scared after what happened to the last two. That was just in the last week, lost two. But I don't know what that noisy bird is. Where you at, kid? There they are. Up there's a couple of them. What a beautiful blue sky. A beautiful blue sky. Oops, here comes some clouds. Need a little work done on my benches here. I can get through here under the grapevine. The grapevine that goes clear to the top of the tree. It's incredible. And the old corn crib. Well. Okay, better sign off. Everyone take care and stay safe and all.